Autodraw. Autodraw is a super cool tool that guesses your drawings and gives you options for stickers to replace your drawings with. So I just want to show you a quick tutorial on how to use it. The first thing, we just have a few settings up here. If we click these three lines, you can do a landscape. That means it's the long ways. You can do a square, or you can do a portrait up and down. Your first tool is your select tool. We'll come back to that one. Your second tool is Autodraw. This is what you can use to start drawing, and it gives you all these suggestions up here. So I just want to draw a smiley face. Look at all my options for not only smiley faces, but lots of other things. So I like this one. Now let's come back up here to the select tool, and we can move this around. We can click on it and change its color. And we can make it bigger, smaller, or turn it around. So let's put that one up there. Now next, maybe I want to draw a mountain. Look at that, I have some mountains. So I can choose mountain. Next is my draw tool. This is like a paintbrush. You can pick a color. Maybe I want to draw a sun behind my mountain, but I don't want to use the stickers. I can just use my draw tool to paint the sun behind my mountain. You can make your brush bigger or smaller. The next tool we have is our type tool. You can click on our type tool, just click once, and let's say I need to type my name on my project. I can type my name in there. Up at the top, we can change our font, we can change our size, and let's go try to change our color. Again, we can move that around, make it bigger or smaller, and rotate it. Now let's say I'm clicking around and I'm moving stuff around, and I want to go back and change the color of my text. I just need to come back up to my select tool, click on my letters, and I can change the color. Our next tool is the fill tool. The fill tool fills in shapes with colors. So let's say I want to make the top of my mountain blue. I can fill it in with blue, and maybe I want to fill in the bottom with green. Now I have a green and blue mountain. We can also fill in the background using the fill tool. So I just click the fill, I have the color I want, and I can fill the background. Now you notice my other objects in yellow disappear because we can't see yellow on yellow. So if you don't like something you just did, we have this awesome undo tool. We can just click undo, and it will go back one move. If we click it again, it'll keep going one move back. So let's choose a color that I haven't used yet. Maybe we choose red, and now I can still see all my shapes. Next, we have our shape tool. We have 3 different shapes we can choose from up here. Maybe I want to make a square to go around my name. Now, oops, I used red, so I can't see it because I have a red background. I'm gonna undo, and I'm going to make my square or rectangle black. Now I have a border around my name. We have just a few more tools down here. We have our zoom tool. If we want to zoom in, if we want our picture to fit, we can press 100. That means we can see our whole picture. And we have our garbage tool all the way down here. If we don't like something we drew, we can go get our select tool. I want to delete this weird little scribble that I put on there, and I can click delete. We're done and ready to turn it in. We can come up here to those 3 little lines and click download, and it's gonna go into our downloads folder.